when you go to Luke chapter 11, verse 11, it says, if your earthly father, if you ask him for bread, you no give you stone. You ask him for fish, you no give you snake. What about your heavenly father? You see that portion of that Bible? They go change them because of some men. These are our earthly fathers who they get now. The only one who go exist now, the one of our heavenly father. Yes, because our earthly father now don't go join Malians. They machete us now. They Malaysia with the ma. That means Hana ma. They Malaysia machete us with no good. They don't go join bad gangs. Those days you go see fathers. My people they say an elder or father will not be at home. Why the goat deliver in distress? Can't carry, can't be like say goat one born. They can't carry in rope, still there for a neck. They die in the process. Man, it's abomination. But for this our current time, it's happening. You see this MOHBAD in father. No. That is not a father figure. Father, those days, even when you want to treat maybe a son wrongly, father they come, fear go even enter your body. They call a Shekina. Go enter your body, you go know say yes, father they come. But these days, no. Be like say now the war don't end. We dey extra time. The time we dey now na extra time. You know when they play football after 90 minutes, like you come put 5 minutes. And the time we dey now. The matter is getting so hard. Now they don't go dig up the body now. Say they want go carry waiting. Autopsy, I mean. Look at this yo. They see how this life they go. Things they happen every day. Okay, when they carry an out now, they will come tell us the report. They even say you go watch this video, you go they see them now. You go see when they see they dig up, even blood, they see blood for inside. To tell you, say this guy died a very painful death. It's not be something where we say because a stubborn fly. They follow corpse to the grave. That's how our father talk am now. You see all these naira Malians. I mean, what they call them. No worry, una go start all over again. Una go know say Nigerians when they mean una go come back to square one, come follow start all over, come issue skit so that when they know una go soon come down. Una body go come down. Now, what did they pay me now? Be say even the government of the day. Now, what did they call them? Government of the day. You go see government. The only time they get government and when something don't bad, we don't happen. Now that time you go get government. You call see people who go like you. This guy now, MOHBAD you don't popular because he don't die. That's what Nigeria be. Now the government of the day. Government go dey wait. I see when Lagos State government, I thank una very well. I see when I carry MOHBAD in wife and the child, they say una promise them, take it. I see you now. Well done. Now when something don't bad, they see you now. That one will come see una the government of the day. Now the day own for the day on the day to the day. After the day, when I go sleep, when the thing they hot, when I come out, busybody. Everybody for this country, I service. Busybody. Now after 4 years now, when the woman will come now to ask for 1 or 2 favors, say the ten don't over now. You go try your boss. That's what they do. When things bad, now that time they show off. Come do us abracadabra. The more you look, the less you see. At the end of the day, government of the day for the day to the day. So when they see the crowd will come out for MOHBAD, they see the crowd, they see the crowd of people where they turn up. When I know they fear, say whoever this crowd one day turn again, say they need things when I steal from them. Because they use my tongue, they can't turn their teeth. When they talk, they go say, yeah, Prophet Biggie, they talk. Prophet don't they talk. And they prophesy. Make una know what they do for this matter. As soon as dig up that grave, as soon as they check the autopsy, tell us exactly what to kill him. Because this injustice will have to stop. No, have to stop. He that killed by a gun, they should kill him too by a gun. If not cutlass, they kill you too by cutlass. These days, what we do in this present generation, listen to me. Let me tell you something. In upper, a man will be saying an elderly man. You see all these uncles from father's side, fear them. Now so he keep the man wey be him brother, make all him children useless. Only one boy na run escape go Ghana. As he reach Ghana, he go do plus. The guy come back. The man come hear say the guy dey come back. The thing wey dey do all those small small wey dey dig for ground, na him to am and na him run. Now you dey see am. That is 5G juju. Now he come back, come meet 1G juju. Because that his own na that those guys dey press wetin no good now. They fit use press sef comot you for wey no good. Now what for you? You dey whine. Make una lis ten o, because the thing wey even wey una dey do go cut up with una. You no dey wait for children again. Now you yourself go dey this world benefit from am. Una go dey do those kind things wey una dey do. Una no know say wey dey waka wuya like wey dey waka wuya dey see am. Una no know. Una dey do. Evil no dey pay again. You see this time, wetin you sow you go reap. You go dey see the thing go dey happen. You go dey show. Karma is doing now. They say life hate vacuum. Because any vacuum wey you create, you go dey inside. How for you? Obia kobo aya. Oh yeah, kobo. So make una dey just sit tight and relax and watch. Everything from A to Z for this matter go come to limelight. God on its own go vindicate. See this guy dead? See the father now. Father. Anyway, so many things is unfolding. We'll sit back. At the end of this video, I go play you some things so that you will know, say, oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, this video of comedy, Owo Master. You see, for this video, like, click, and share. So that people go know, say, at the end of the road. You know, say they say at the end of the light. Okay, end of the tunnel, you go see light. I don't know who put them there. But you see that light, at the end of the day, we go see them. Oh. Follow me for more. MOHBAD. If okay. Whoa.